So today we're going to be solving this problem, which asks us, what is the total voltage and what is the total effective resistance in the diagram below? And since this is kind of already our step 1, we can just go ahead and move into step 2. So first it's asking what the total voltage is. So we're going to put VT is equal to question mark because we don't know what that is yet. And then we're going to write for number 3 our equation, which is VT is equal to V1 and so on. And in this diagram, it only gives us the 10V. So we really don't have to do too much math here, but 10V, which is our V1, is equal to 10V, which is our V total. So we can just say that our total is 10V for the total voltage. Then we have what is the total effective resistance. So we're trying to find what RT is. And so in our equation it is 1 over R in parentheses, which is our total resistance, is equal to 1 over R1, which is our resistance 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. And that's our equation. And for this one, we have, so they give us R1 as 20. So we're going to put 1 over 20. And then they give us R2 as 15. So 1 over 20 plus 1 over 15. And we have to keep in mind that we are working with resistance. And then we are going to, when we're doing fractions, we have to make sure the denominator is the same before we can add them. So off the bat, I see that a common denominator between the two would be 60. So I'm going to do 1 over 20 times 3 times 3. 3 over 60. And then I'm going to do 1 over 15 times 4 and times 4. And that gives us 4 over 60. And so since we're still adding these, 3 over 60 plus 4 over 60 is equal to 7 over 60. And then, last but not least, we flip the numerator and the denominator and put 60 over 7. And when you plug that into your calculator, you get 8.57. And that is your total resistance.